Let's start.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Amira Azhara binti Muhammad Zulkarnain. I am 6 years old. Today I will read a storybook titled The Ant and the Dog. The Ant and the Dog. One day, an ant was drinking some water at the river bank. A strong wind suddenly made a wave that pulled the ant into the river. The poor ant struggled in the water. He thought he would surely die. A dove sitting on a tree nearby saw what was happening. He quickly plucked a leaf and let it fall onto the water close to the ant. The ant climbed onto it. It carried the ant safely to the river bank. The ant looked up and said, "Thank you, my friend. I will help you one day too." A few days later, a hunter came into the forest to look for birds. He saw the dove sitting on a branch. He took out his bow and arrow. The man raised his bow and aimed an arrow right at the bird. The ant saw what was about to happen. He quickly ran up to the hunter and he beat the man's toe. The man jumped in pain and his arrow fell to the ground. Hearing the man's cry of pain, the dove quickly flew away. "Thank you, little ant," said the dove. "You did help me after all." Moral: a good deed is rewarded by another good deed. Thank you.
Okay, ito na mga bacaan na